Okay, so it's time to create view models in the code directory where I will create BO classes. BO stands for business object, where we use the business logic of our app. These classes are working as a bridge in between UI and DAO classes. Let's start. Hello guys, this is Mohsen AR from CodeCyclo. So I'm going to create an auth.bo file that is used to login users. Let's create auth.bo impl class, which extends change notifier to notify the UI for changes. Get reference of user DAO by using getIt package, and create a login method by passing username and password. So to update the UI, we need two states of application. One, idle, which is initial state. Number two, busy, which shows I am busy processing request. For both states, I'm going to create state enum.file and create enum here with both states idle and busy. Okay, so back to our login method. Here in this method, I'm going to use state enum and the initial state should be idle. When the login method is processing, its initial state would be busy. Call notify listeners method whenever the object changes. On the next line, if the user starts with a number, then condition will be true. String type value assigned to error message variable, and then state enum will be idle to notify UI that you are not busy now and display errors. If the username or password invalid, then application would display an error message. If the login succeeds, then returns true. So instead of extending change notifier in every BO class, I am going to create a base BO impl class. So now let's write BO auth, which extends base BO. After login, we have a logout method. Now add all DAO and BO classes in location.file. It's time to create bookbo.file, add bookbo and bookbo impl class. Both classes are quite simple. We have a one abstract class and an impl class which implements all methods available in abstract class. So this was the core part of our app. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Press bell to get notification for next videos. Thank you.